Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. Today I want to show you how you can set up a lead form in Yaraa. The lead form can be configurable in Yaraa and you can do all sort of different things to make sure that you get higher conversion and capture the leads from your potential customer. So let's just check it out. So once you go into web backend of Yaraa AI CS agent, you need to go to leads form from the left side menu where you will see the HTML form and voice assisted AI agent. So if you click on leads form, I think this is how it looks in the front end, the icon, right? I mean, if you look at the thumbnail of voice assistant, this is how it looks like. So this gives you the overall idea about, how it's going to look like in the front end. So let's just try the HTML form first. So it will have the welcome message like, hello, I'm MJ agent, your AI agent. Uh, for Mojumla, this is the front end. And then it has the registration header message that you can configure that as well. Like if you click on the AI avatar on the front end to talk with AI agent, please fill up the details. So that's the header that you can configure from the lead form. And then you have the name, email, and mobile number options that you want to collect it from your potential customers, and you can make it required or not required. When you make it required, the user must fill up those details to chat with the AI sales agent, right? If you make it not required, meaning some industry doesn't need a lot of those details, or if you have data privacy issue, you may not want to collect those things. But again, you have the terms and conditions, so you can always use it. And then finally, there is a form completion message. So if they have successfully entered the email and form number, this is the message that will get displayed, right? And you can use the shortcodes like visitor name, domain name, in the form completion message or a field step message so that we'll try the visitor name and copy paste the shortcode so that it will say, hey, thank you, John, your information is securely saved. So John is the first name that we collected from this form, right? So we can always customize the field set message as well. You can write down your domain name that thanks for asking, we can only assist with certain domain product and service only. Let's just save it. So this is how you configure your lead form. That is purely HTML form, that, traditional HTML form. Let's just check it out in the front end. So whatever changes we made is coming up. Thank you, Jerry. Your information is securely saved. So that's the variable that we use. And once you ask about, different products and services from a particular website, you can also, if it triggers the fail sub message that we created, like, thank you for asking, we can access with Mozilla. So domain name was the shortcode that we used, the variable, and it picked up the domain name Mozilla for the chat agent, right? And that's how you can configure the HTML form. Now let's just check it out, the voice assisted AI agent. It has all the same fields. The only difference is, the user input will be in form of the voice messages, right? So same thing, you can also make it something that you don't need it as optional. So on and off is the control that you are getting. And you can also have the, whatever leads you collected, you can also export it as CSV. So here all the leads are all this getting listed, where whatever the user has chosen as a preference, whether it's HTML form or whether it's a voice assisted input, all the leads are captured in the backend. You can always export it as a CSV. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.